Assalamu alaikum. Uh, this document will help you to install Oracle Database 19c on Windows 11. So I personally did not get all the document, so I have a team that helps me to build this document. So, uh, here I have uh, pointed out 8 steps to install Oracle Database 19c, and later you you can verify either the database installed successfully or not. Then you will have the opportunity to connect your database to HR schema in SQL plus. So that's the document. So this document also suitable for pluggable database if you want to install pluggable database or not. You can just you have to simple modification one step or two, then you can successfully install a database too. So let me go through just verification step, and later you can do you can you can if you can do next all the follow all the steps to install the documentation. So here is my CMD. It's want a password that we have to give when we will install database. So here it says that Oracle 19c Enterprise. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to connect to the HRSC. It says that I'm connected to HR schema and Oracle database. Okay, so these are the steps, only 80 steps. You will need around 10 minutes if you have all the files downloaded. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.